Heading back to the track. Man.
They let everybody in this place.
Seems like we race like every day. So we have arrived in Milan, Michigan, and we're going to be meeting up with some other stick shift guys here for lunch. It's a little restaurant over here, so probably bring you in there, show you the meeting of the minds. And my son Mason. What's up, brother? What's up? Ready to race?
Yeah.
Let's go.
They let everybody in this place.
Where'd my tip go?
I fail every day.
Get ready to leave, head of the track.
Yep.
That's right. Shaking it down, boys.
Here we go.
We're on our way to the track now. That's a badass, boy. Woo! It's me. It's definitely been a minute since we've been to Milan Dragway, Michigan. Should be pretty interesting. It's gonna be a pretty decent event. There's new owners here, so I'll be excited to actually see, you know, what's going on here. All right, so we got here to Milan, parked next to Brian Crane and Danny Watts. What are you doing, son? Bruh. Is that a? Oh, wow.
I was like, I gotta go get this right now.
Dude.
What did you get for that?
200 bucks. For that? Yeah. How much you want to sell it for? 500. I was big into bikes back in the day, man. We have a little while before we actually get on the track. So me and Mason are gonna get the car out. And at least, I mean, it's already set the race. I mean, we gotta make some adjustments before we actually hit the track. But we'll probably make one pass down just to see how the track looks. Shake the car down and just enjoy some. Got the four-wheeler today.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can never doubt, not what I'm about, have your loud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, jump under bound, can't stop me now. Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't miss.
hour getting y'all wins and losses. Boy!
You gotta put W's for me?
I'm gonna put all the W's for you. Don't worry about that. I got you. You know, for the right price.
Yes. All right, we split the pot.
pot.
We're gonna go make a hit. It's about 2:30. Not a whole lot going on. Figured I'd go shake it down and see how the track is right now. Here with Binks. Obviously, you guys seen me do some footage with. We had Danny Watts and we had Brian Crane here on top of. You know, there's a number of stick shift guys. Got a nice blue Cobra over here. Not sure. Sound mean as. Tell you that right now. So should be pretty interesting. We're gonna get up to the track and make a hit and see how well she goes A to B. So we didn't do too bad on our very first pass testing tune. We went 9:59 at 147. A little bit slower than I thought I was going to go, but I had a terrible launch. I shook the tire, caught my foot on one of the stupid interior pieces, whatever. But we all shook down a little bit. A couple of us went really well. A couple of us struggled a little bit. So Danny Watts is his first pass and messing with his tune.
Yeah. Getting a little manifold temp rise here. Started at 105, we're up to 180. I've never seen that kind of manifold temp. So we pulled 5 degrees of timing, and then the clutch stopped. Well, the clutch stopped stuck. As you can see, I hit off the limiter, and then I shut the car down. So nothing like sitting on 8,500 RPM.
That sounded awesome.
Sounded good.
No, it didn't.
Did the driver's meeting. So what they do is they set up a chip draw. 1 to 8 right now, left lane, right lane.
There. You got to buy?
You know it.
Me too.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
See, I didn't get my test in. Over there by the curb. That's I'll have to buy back.
All right, so about 30 minutes from now, we're going to get the car up to the track. We'll start making our first hit with the Coyote. All right, so we're all in the staging lanes. We got everybody staged up. I got the Coyote stock car. We got Tyler Garlock and the Cobra Jet. Danny Watts and Stella. We got Corey and Brian Crane. About to get rolling here. So this is what you get with camaraderie here at Stick Shift. I mean, I actually caught the guy that sells the track photos. He's like walking through walking through our pit area. I was like, that's the guy with the photos. He was like, it's like the ice cream truck running through the neighborhood. I was like, come here. I think a couple of our guys bought a couple of them. Real nice photos taken. Right here, got Miguel, our buddy, and Danny Watts in the background. Really good photos. Dude, it's gone. I got these out, man. I'm dying over here. All right, do a little chip draw here.
We're gonna do this in order how they're written, okay, guys? So whatever he draws out of that bucket, it's gonna be a number with a lane. Yeah, draw them one at a time. So this is Danny. 2R. 2R, okay. Here's gonna hit it all.
All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I ended up ending the video right there because it was getting dark. Dew was setting in. The track conditions were getting a little unsafe for us stick shift guys. And we just decided to call it a night. It was already about 11 o'clock. We had a couple rounds to go, so we ended up splitting the pots in both classes. I ended up losing my round because I broke out of the 950 index, but I was on a pass and I wasn't lifting. If you guys enjoy stick shift racing, want to check out that 3-pedal throwdown, Tom always runs it a couple times a year. Some good money on the line, some fast stick shift cars, some big horsepower stick shift cars. We always have a great time when we're all together. Again, you know, it's all about the camaraderie and the fun of just being at the event. All right, so we ended up running a 599, which is a personal best, 117 in the 8th. Had a good stick on the track. Wasn't the best 60 foot, but we ended up just going from A to B on a couple shock settings, and I was super happy with it. Went 931 at 149 in the quarter. Had a great time in Milan, Michigan with my friends. You can see the camaraderie that we have from stick shift racing. We're all very competitive with each other, even when money's on the line, but we won't think twice to jump in and help wrench on the car if there's something wrong. But outside of that, guys, I just appreciate you watching, man. I appreciate you following along with the channel. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you like. Check out that join button for channel membership. But outside of that, guys, I just appreciate you guys watching my video. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video.